Morning one and all. Now I am going to talk about the introduction to production planning control and the types of the production system. While going for the introduction to production planning, first of all we must know about what is production planning and what is production control. While talking about production planning, it is a managerial function which is naturally concerned with the following: how the production facilities are required, what are the facilities are required, and how the production facilities should be laid down, and what should be used to produce, such a way that it should be think about that. And broadly speaking, production planning is concerned with the two main aspects: routing or planning, and then second one, layout or relationship between the resources. Normally production planning is a dynamic in nature and always remains in fluid state, as plans may be changed according to the change of circumstance. While considering the production control, it is a mechanism to monitor the execution of the plans. It has several functions: making sure the production operations are started as per planned, and also observing the process of operations and recording it properly, and also analyzing the recorded data with the plans and measuring the deviations. Take immediate corrective actions to minimize the negative impact of the deviations from the plan, feedback from the recorded informations to improve the future plans. These are the this is called as the production planning and production control. While going for the objectives and benefits of the production planning control, it always minimizes the cost and maximizing the profits, and also maximize the customer service, minimize the inventory investment, and minimize the changes in production rates, minimize the changes in workforce levels, and maximize the utilization of plant and equipment. While going for the functions of the production control functions the activities of procurement, allocation, and the utilization of resources. The main objective of the production function is to produce goods, services demanded by the customer in most efficient and economical way. Therefore, effective management of the production function is almost important in order to achieve the objective. This is the organization chart how the production planning functions. Normally, the production planning control are the shareholders, board of directors, and then general manager. And here it is classified into the production planning, production control, and inventory control, and then materials department, quality department, such a way that the important thing in the production planning control is they are the needed one for the company normally. And already we discussed about the functions of the production planning in the previous itself. Production planning normally encompasses the activities of procurement, allocation, and utilization of resources, and also produce goods and service demanded by the customer most efficient and economical way. And also efficient management of the production function is almost important in order to achieve the objectives. The types of productions. Now going for the types of productions. The types of production system is normally based on the types of product and the types of the production line and rate of production and equipment used is the major criteria which considering the production systems. And a production system can be defined as a transformation system in which suitable product or service is created by working upon the set of inputs. The inputs are normally based on the machine, money, materials. And the production system are broadly classified into three categories normally. That is jobs of production, continuous production, and then in mass production or intermediate production. Going for the jobs of production itself, it is called as unit production. Only once the product is produced, and normally the shipbuilding and aero building likewise, the product will be manufactured for one order, and that specific and product will be planned and it will be manufactured at the for a single order is called the job order or unit production. While going for the batch production, normally the manufacturer has number of identical parts, and they are either to meet the specific order to meet the continuous demand, and the batch can be manufactured either only once or repeatedly and at irregular times or regular time. This is called as the batch production. And while going for the continuous production, it refers to the normally it refers to the otherwise it is called as the mass production. The same type of product manufactured for the standardized products with a standard set of process or operation sequence and the demand. So it is manufactured continuously. Likewise, the bolt nut, which is always be necessaries, and the other necessaries which is needed are manufactured in a mass flow production or assembly line production, where the assemblies or the layouts or the all the things will not be changed. While comparing in the continuous production, mass production and other things, continuous productions will be very easy for the manufacturing unit, but the job production, the layouts and the designs and the machining setups have been changed, and the skills of the laborers or the supervisors must be very needed one. For the intermediate, it is for the like the automobile plants, printing presses, electric goods. These components are kept as inventory, and it can be produced at a huge level, and it can be kept as a intermediate level also. This graph shows the how the mass production, job production and the continuous flow productions, all the things are can be varied. However, the output increases, the output and variety increases in the y-axis, and in the number and the here the mass the count is increased in the y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. So based on this production, the graph has been divided. Normally the product design, what we do, the product design is a strategic decision, as the image and profit earning capacity of small firms depends on largely on the product design. So once the product to be produced is decided by the entrepreneur, to the next step is to prepare the design, and then the product design consists of two design consists of form and function. The form design includes the decision regarding its shapes, size and color and appearance. The function involves the working condition of the product. After the product design, the product development will do their functions. It based on the standardization, reliability, machinability, servicing, reproducibility, substitutability, product simplification, quality consumption, product value, consumer quality and need and usability. Such a way that the marketing aspects has to also to be identified.